I'll start with a few surveys we've done in the region, and if you look at from UAE perspective, we've got what really customers values today for the mobile. Mobile is a big subject. People are going mobile. They're using applications. They're using emails. The CRM, the softwares are getting integrated with the mobile applications. We are browsing all the time, downloading YouTubes, etc. So if you look at from UAE perspective, what really people value, we've done a survey of about 5,000 people, 5,000 sample size. So the better network coverage. And Etisalat perspective, we've got now a very strong network covering 99% of UAE market. We've got the faster data network, which is called LTE, or the fourth generation data connectivity, where you can theoretically go up to 100 Mbps, 150 Mbps of speed. And the better calling and messaging rate. Similarly, and the fourth important point here is the handsets. People are looking for handsets. People are looking for the handset manufacturers are changing models every probably 3 months. They're coming with the new models. People are using the handsets for various purposes like application integration, supply chain, logistics, etc. So we tried for the offer business ultimate. We tried integrating all these components, what people value most, and at the same time looking at the cost effectiveness. Specifically, our focus is in the SME market, where the cost basically counts. The entire model is created based on flexibility, the productivity, concepts like bring your own device. I think you are familiar with this, where employees basically today they want to have their own devices without having any connectivity with their company-owned, company-paid line. That means as an employee, I'm free to bring my devices and connect it with the company network, use my data, and at the same time, I'll have my personal applications and the personal downloading, etc., in the same devices. So these are some of the testimonials we've done to the market survey. If you look at from an HR perspective, today there is a trend. I would say about 3 years back, if you look at 80% of the mobile for the business segment was owned and paid by the company. Today, we have about 40% company-owned, company-paid mobile connection. 60% of the connections are owned by the personnel. They have the freedom to choose the packages. They have the freedom to choose the operator. So the plan basically focuses there. Things like SME segment. Let's take about 10 employees segment. If you have 10 employees, you want a very cheap communication between the employees, the interactions. We've got, we've addressed those kind of factors in the plan. I'll go to the bundle packages straight away. So the plan basically you pay 99 dirham. That's how the plan starts. 99 dirham, 199 dirham, 399 dirham, and 999 dirham. With the 99 dirham, you get those 130 minutes of local minutes, 130 international minutes, 130 SMS, and 130 MB of data. Then you have these add-ons, which are flexible in nature. So that means if you are a heavy international users, you can go for an international add-on. If you are a data user, you can go for a 1 GB, 5 GB, or 12 GB data add-on, SMS add-on, and the intercompany add-ons. All the handsets comes with the packages. All the handsets are given as a zero upfront. We've got suites of, starting from iPad, Samsung, Galaxies, Blackberries, Huawei, and the Nokias. So all the handsets are offered at a very low subsidized cost from Etisalat and with a zero upfront cost. So I'm going to talk about the handsets in the next slide. So these are some of the price. And if you look at the market value of these plans, for example, 99 dirham, you get 130 international minutes. Today, 130 international minutes from any operator costs about 130 dirham. 130 local minutes costs about 40 dirham. So if you look at a total value, what you get in the 99 dirham, it's about 250 dirhams worth of value. For 399 dirham, you get about 800 worth of value. And the entire plan is based on an OPEX model. That means on the devices, you don't pay any upfront charges. So special offer for today, this is a good news. So what you get is we've gone to our management for this event and we've subsidized further the handsets. So if you look at an iPhone devices, what you get with the packages for a 24 months plan is about 21 dirham. A Samsung costs about 17 dirham. And Nokia and Huawei, those models are absolutely free with the plan. So these are some of the example. For example, with this offer, you get a 99 dirham plan, you get a 5 GB of big data plan for about 149 dirham and 17 dirham. So total you pay about 265 dirham, you get a new handset, you get a 5 GB of data, and you get all those bundle values available in the 99 dirham plan. And if you look at the segment of SME, you have a SME probably having 150 employees and SME having 2 employees. So there are big diversification. So when you're focusing on an SME and SME-oriented plan, we need to keep these options open. For example, here, it's simple enough because it's got all the bundle minutes, so there is no bill shock. That means today when you say pay as you go, yes, I can understand from your perspective. But if you look at majority of the people, they don't like to have the bill shock. They want to have these expenses and the control, as the theme is, control your expenses. So you have the bundled 99. So you pay 99 or 199, 399, depends on the usage pattern. You know what to select, and then you go for a data, and then you go for a device.